Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be teaching you a tutorial on how to do monogramming on the SQ, the brother, um, SQ9185. So the first thing you want to do is you want to, on your panel, if you see here, I'm going to turn it sideways. So you open up your little panel and you will see your alphabet. All right. Now, up at the top here, this A, you can come down here and where your needle positions are, you're going to see that A right there. So when you see that A and you see that A, that means that this has to be, this little green light has to be on that A. Okay. Now, this, um, this A right here are for these stitches up here. So there's actually more characters. Okay, and then you have your other button, the last one, which is for these stitches here, your regular stitches. Okay, so we got that straight. Next, we're going to come up here. It's going to be hard to see. So this is where you're going to enter your characters. Okay, so I have characters entered. So if you can see, it's kind of hard to see now, but there's a delete and an add button. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all my characters from what I had in there. Okay, and I want to make sure it's down to 1. Okay, now once that's done, you're going to go back up to your panel and you're going to type in character. So for example, I want the letter C, which is 3. You can come here. Okay, and I'm gonna go, let me see if I can get this here because I'm trying to keep my fingers out of the way. So you're gonna go, I can't see because of the sun. Okay, I'm sorry about, no, nope, 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 nope. I'm like way off here. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna go up to 3. 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna come over and I'm gonna hit my add button. Okay, and then I'm gonna go, I'm doing Christmas, so I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna find the letter H, and I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'm gonna hit add, and then Christmas, let's see, I'm gonna do 18 because of the R, and I'm gonna hit add, and then I is 09. Okay, and I'm gonna hit add, and then S is number 19, and then hit add, and then 20 is the letter T, and then hit add, and then letter M is 13, and then hit add, and then A, of course, is 01, and then hit, oops, sorry about that, and then hit add, and then S, which is your last letter, is 19, hit add. Okay, Now I'm going to put my phone down for a minute and I'll be right back. So then, once you get that done, of course, you're going to stick your fabric just like you would if you're getting ready to sew for anything else. I have allergies, so bear with me if I sniffle. Okay, so for this one, you're gonna, like I said, you're gonna just do how you would normally do it. Okay, so you're gonna bring your needle down and okay, so it was towards the end, so that just it'll slow down. Okay, so okay, so now sorry about that. I just trying to cut my threads here, so um just bear with me. Okay, sorry about that. So if you can see that, I embroidered Merry Christmas. Okay, so now if you have a pair of embroidery scissors, like that, these are wonderful for when you're monogramming, because what you're going to do next, let me put my phone down and I'm going to show you if I can. If you've noticed, in between the letters, let me see if I can get them here. In between the letters, I'm going to get up close. You'll see where the letters connect, those little threads, okay? You're going to want to clip those. This is where your embroidery scissors are going to come in really handy. See this? See the C right here? Right there where I got my thumb. If you notice, when I move my thumb away, there's that little thread right there that's connecting. Okay, so you're going to take your embroidery scissors. Do not cut into the letter. Like I said, don't cut into the letter itself. You want to cut into where it connects, and you want to trim it. Okay, and then you just want to keep doing that. You want to do that with all your letters. You can do up to 35 characters at a time if you want. Now, this is great for personalization. I use mine a lot. I make a lot of gifts, and so I do it a lot. And it's a lot of fun. I made a mask for my sister-in-law and my brother, and I personalized it with their names. You can, like I said, you can make quilts and personalize them. So I can't really show you because I don't have anybody to help me um, do the camera close up. So I will show you what I'm talking about. Okay, as you can see, Christmas is coming along. So I've been trimming the little connecting lines between the T and the M. You can see one really good here. You can see the T and the M. They're you can see that thread there where it connects. So let me finish. Okay, so I'm still working on it here. And I'm almost there. And I'm on my last one. Now, you will want to do this on a solid colored fabric because if you do it on a print, it will not show up. Okay, so there we have it. I don't know if you can see it. It's all cleaned up. Okay. Now, if you've noticed, I did a little border around my label here. So, what you're going to do is, oh, hold on, I forgot to. Okay. Once again, what you'll do is you see this panel over here. Once again, right here, you're going to want to put that on the button where it has that symbol. Okay, then you're going to come down here and you're going to type in or whatever one you want to put in. So if let's say you want to do let's say you want to do 51, and this one you don't have to add, so you would just go up 1 2 3 4 5 and then 1. Okay, then you would take your fabric once again and begin to sew.